Good morning, it's my favourite time of the day again. Welcome to SirToshi's Bitcoin Chart Show. This is the Bitcoin forecast, the strength of the system, the health of the network, where we find out what's up with what is going down. Today's day is Wednesday, the 20th of July, 2022. Without further ado, let's just jump straight into it. Buy BSV.live, the best place to buy Bitcoin SV online, the original protocol and genuine Bitcoin. Here we go, rock and roll. Look at this, price is on the move, oh dear. Core coin now at 23,714 with an economic value of 0. Damn, that is gonna hurt. B crash 129, honestly what a joke. Fisher price cash, who cares? But then we've got Bitcoin. The original protocol goes right back to the Genesis block. It hasn't changed, making it the real Bitcoin, the true Bitcoin, the genuine Bitcoin, and the world's first and only ever digital commodity, backed by the value of data sovereignty, making it the most valuable commodity on earth because it's an extension of our own personal freedoms and liberty. And you commoditize a digital network with a fixed supply, a locked protocol, infinite scale, economic competition, and a chain of digital signatures for common accountability. And those 5 principal pillars, constructs of a commodity network, are only on the original protocol and genuine Bitcoin, BSV, making it the most valuable commodity on earth. My goodness me. Yours for $58. Oh, it cracks me up. Let's have a look at this then. The hash rate 0.29%. Let's have a quick gander at that this morning then. Here we go. Network nodes 0.46. Transactions 85.1. That's percentage. What's going on there? And then block size 98.06. My goodness, absolutely smashing it. So remember, these are data management networks. The data, which is the block size, is uploaded by the transactions. The transactions are processed by the nodes. The nodes are what create blocks and supply the hash rate. And the hash rate is attracted to the value. And the value is meant to be represented by the price. But the price is speculative. But when education catches up with speculation, the prices will soon start to match their economic values. Which means Core Coin BTC 0, B Crash 0, Fisher Price Cash 0, and BSV, well, do your research and use your imagination. Expand your mind, should we say. So just like in business, when turnover is vanity and profit is sanity, when it comes to Bitcoin, hash rate is vanity and block size is sanity. Let's have a look at these data. Look at this. Oh, so we've had a 2 gigabyte block. Straight out the blocks, shall we say. Look at that. Beautiful. Loving that. Greeted with a 2.1 gigabyte block first thing in the morning. We'll take that. Hash rate. A hash rate follows price, follows value, follows utility, follows creativity, initiative, and intelligence. If you are intelligent and you apply creativity and initiative, you can make something useful. When something is useful, it can then create value. When it creates value, it can then develop a price. When it develops a price, it can then be measured against the cost of other goods and services and used as a medium of exchange. Remember, if something is useless, it is worthless. It's as simple as that. Proof of work by network, it's all coming over to Bitcoin. It's currently 13,315 times cheaper to transact on Bitcoin than Core Coin, and it's 8.1% more profitable to mine on Core Coin BTC. Quite looking forward to seeing this pie chart again this morning. Daily average Bitcoin block size by network, I mean, look at that. Bitcoin absolutely smashing it. Transactions by network, Bitcoin starting to really romp away there. Transactions per block romping away with it. Oh, what's this? Fees, so anyway, fees USD should be right down. Fees SirToshi should be right down as well. Daily Bitcoin fee to block reward ratio. So again, the red line is going to match this solid blue line here. As the block reward gets cut in half every 210,000 blocks, it gets surpassed with the block fee due to the volume of transactions on the network. And once this happens, we have an economically self-sustaining system. Absolutely beautiful. So yeah, that we'll just keep an eye on that red line there. Daily accumulated Bitcoin blockchain growth by network. Let's have a look at this. Where are we now? Well, we were 4.72 or 3 yesterday. Let's have a look. Where are we? 4.74. That'll do nicely. That'll do nicely. Take that any day of the week. So this is a global hash rate 7 days. A global hash rate 24 hours. Core coin hash rate. Oh, F2 pool turning up there. They're going to get hammered. SBI crypto with 3.47% on Core Coin. That's a huge amount of hash rate. Let's have a look at B Crash. Honestly, hilarious. I bet it's more profitable to mine on BTC. Yeah, 0.2%. It's always more profitable to mine on BTC. And yet Bcrash has got no economic value. So the people mining this have literally got no excuse. Absolutely hilarious. Fisher Price Cash, again, just Hathor keeping the profitability in check. And here we have Bitcoin, check it out. SBI Crypto with 49.31%, that's huge. Remember, Tal have got 100% of their hash rate focused on Bitcoin here. So they are, if you like, sort of like the litmus test. It's not Tal reducing their hash rate, it's SBI Crypto increasing theirs, and other mining pools, again, they're a huge miner also. Absolutely massive, absolutely massive. So the reason the profitability is being kept in check is because we don't want any shitcoin enterprises on the chain. Because the only thing that shitcoin enterprises do is dollar worship. And dollar worshipping leads onto price manipulation, which we will look at now in the short positions. Where are we now? Bitcoin. So, 89.85. Chuffed a bit with that. We'll keep an eye on this, see what happens in the future. And then we got Coolcoin, Segwit Protocol, just short ratio of 1.56. What a joke. Check it out. BitInfo charts. So we've got 37.1% of overall transactions on the entire network, or the entire crypto market. That's 1.8 million transactions over a 24-hour period. Very good. For any newbies watching the show, these are the mining operations. These are the nodes. These are the operations that supply the hash rate and create blocks. This is the backbone to the world's first ever. This is the backbone to the new global financial system, the world's first ever commercial internet. Absolutely beautiful. Chainalytics then, look, they still haven't listed Bitcoin SV because it's going to smash these disgusting shitcoins out of the water, which we can see here on Coin Carbon Cap. Look at this, absolute transactions per megawatt hour. Bitcoin 4,522 in comparison to Bcrash in second place with just 39. Honestly, there is no comparison, and this dirty BTC Segwit protocol, Coolcoin down here, 1.9 transactions for every megawatt hour. Absolutely disgusting. Disgusting. Scaling test network. So we've had a 2.6 gigabyte block mined on the mainnet in the last 24 hours. Here we go. Daily data size Metro ID down to 2.1 gigabytes on a 30-day moving average. Let's have a look at 7 days then. Run protocol with 599,000 transactions. Oh, I think it might have gone down a little bit. Never mind, but let's have a look at these apps here. Interesting to look at my 2 cents. So we'll do this over 7-day moving average. Oh, look at that. My 2 cents still going up. It's maintaining it. It was 110,000 transactions. And Relasia with 111,000 transactions. And where did these apps come from? This is beautiful. And Crypto Fights, 589,000 transactions over a 24-hour period. Fantastic. Fantastic. Here we go. So this is Trends.cash. So TDXP and DXS, one and the same. Absolutely macking it hard on that. Apps ranking by performed actions. Yeah, look. So we've got my 2 cents and is it Relay Maps SV? Or REI Maps SV. Oh, I might have to go back and research that. But looking good. Crypto Quant. Let's check this out. Oh look, exchange is still cashing out yet again. Right down the bottom there. Look at that. Look at that. Let's look at that. Absolute. Well, dirty traders never look at these figures. They have no idea what's going on behind the scenes. Remember, price is the end result of all the effort and investment that's gone in before. Price is therefore the last metric to move, and therefore the least of all metrics to matter, unless you're a shitcoiner, because all you do is dollar worshipping. So we've got 524 petahashes on the mainnet right now, and we have had 1.7 million transactions over the last 24 hours. Very good. The whale wallet, look at that, depleting massively. That was 903,000. Genuine Bitcoin in that wallet. It's now been depleted over a space of just 2 days, down to 466,000. My goodness me, that's around like $25 million around that's been moved over the last 2 days. Whew, massive. Good to see that value being distributed. The morning run. So, never mind. Look, purchases, we've had 1 million 832,827 purchases over the last 24 hours. Very much looking forward to the day where that goes above 2 million, because that would just simply be a milestone. Let's have a look at coins here. So we've got a market cap of 1,075 billion. Core coin of so market cap volume of 5.98. All right, let's have a look at the market here. We've got 3 stable coins in the top 6 of the market cap, and we've got Bitcoin. Look at this volume, just 2.7. People holding on for dear life. Yeah, saving for a rainy day, waiting to spend it later on. We've got 2.4 million bids versus 1.7 million asks. CoinGecko, how are we feeling about it today? Feeling good. 89%. We'll take that. Beautiful. All right, Tether weather. Let's have a look at this. Still in the green over 24 hours. Still in the green over 7 days. Let's have a look at market cap. Oh, we've had another cash out. Yet another cash out over the last 24 hours. So that has gone from 5.87 to 5.85. So 200,000 worth of it cashed out. Let's have a look at this. Look at that. Down and down and down we go. Year to date. Oof. Oof. It's a steep decline, that one. Bittrex. Look at that. It's a bit of a wave pattern emerging there. Price shot up for a little bit. Then just came down. But, you know, looking pretty good. Let's have a look at Bitcoin versus Corecoin. Ah. Corecoin just slightly racing ahead here in terms of its increase in price, but who cares? Price is speculative. These shitcoin traders have absolutely no idea about the economic and legal implications of SegWit. Absolutely ridiculous. So Corecoin versus USD, it's just waking its way up, but again, you know, we know it's all manipulated. Coinbase, yeah, it doesn't look like that's going anywhere anytime soon, down 80% from where it started from. MicroStrategy rallying just a little bit. Who cares? That's going to be devastating when he loses all of his BTC or when he gets margin called. Oh my goodness me. Silverfish, check it out. So you got 3,387 views of that so far. Please share it out. Check it out. So I've listed all the different parts of the movie there, so you can work your way through it, find out what's going on in the real world today. And here we go. This is the Nothing Burger calendar. We're now on July 20th. And the reason the calendar is important is because CSW said here, very shortly, in fact within weeks, people are going to start to understand that calling BTC Bitcoin and referring to this technology that is illegally passing itself off as Bitcoin comes with a cost. You know, we'll see. And then he also said at the beginning of July, later this month, you'll understand if any money is on these systems, that's Coinbase and Kraken, it will end up divided between the creditors. Oh my goodness me. So that's later this month, and that is the month we're in. It's now 20th of July. My goodness me. Right, there we go. We'll leave it there. Hope you enjoyed the show. As ever, be aware, take care, stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next one.